In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Okta Verify. First, let's start by opening the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad. For Android users, you will need to open the Google Play Store. To do this, locate the app icon for either store on your device's home screen. The App Store icon typically has a blue background with a white letter A, while the Google Play Store icon features a colorful triangle. Once you find the correct icon, simply tap on it to launch the store. This step is crucial as it gives you access to a wide range of applications, including Okta Verify. You will now see the main page of the store, which is filled with various apps and recommendations. Next, you need to search for Okta Verify. At the top of the App Store or Google Play Store, you'll find a search bar. Tap on it to bring up the keyboard. Now type in Okta Verify and press search. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This is normal and can help you find the app quickly. Entering the correct app name is essential because it ensures you download the right application. Once you see Okta Verify in the search results, you are one step closer to completing the download. Now it's time to tap Get if you're on an iPhone or iPad, or Install if you're using Android. This button is usually located next to the app's name in the search results. When you tap it, the button may change to show a progress indicator. This indicates that the app is being downloaded to your device. This step is important because it initiates the installation process for Okta Verify. You will see the app begin to download, and this process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After you wait for the app to download and install, you will receive a notification or see a confirmation that the app is ready. Once the installation is complete, the Get or Install button will change to an Open button. This means that the app is now available on your device. It's always good to ensure that the app has fully installed before moving on. Now you can easily find Okta Verify on your home screen, ready for use. Next, tap Open to launch the Okta Verify app. This action will take you directly into the app interface. You may see an introduction or welcome screen when you first open it. This is normal and helps you understand what the app is about. Opening the app is crucial because it allows you to begin the setup process. After a few moments, the app will be ready for your account information. Now, you can set up and then sign in with your work or school account. The app will prompt you to enter your credentials, which are usually provided by your organization. Make sure you have your username and password ready for this step. This is an important action because it connects your Okta Verify app with your work or school account, ensuring secure access to your resources. Once you enter your information and complete any necessary verification steps, you will gain access to your application securely. You have successfully downloaded and set up Okta Verify. By following these steps, you have taken an important stride in securing your digital workspace. Your work or school account is now protected with this powerful tool. Thank you for following along and stay tuned for more helpful guides.